Own your own home. This single-wide mobile is a 2022 RGN LYLA Floorplan that is for sale. Affordable Lakeside Living Convenient to Miller Highway 66, Bush Freeway, and Interstate 30. Perfect for those looking to simplify their life and relax. Energy efficient 3-bedroom 2-bath Lakefront Manufactured home with an R-panel metal roof. 8-foot ceilings, 1,216 square feet with a large covered front and back porch. Refrigerator, new black range, microwave, dishwasher, new HVAC and Move-in Ready. Come see these lake views. This is a Lakeview lot. Nothing will be built in front of your home. This brand new manufactured home is 16 by 76. The master bedroom is 11 by 15, second bedroom is 11 by 12, and third bedroom is 9 by 12. A home warranty is also included. Call for a tour. Units 26, 36 and 3, and the same LYLA floor plans. Zippy and Century 21 are some single-wide lenders. The lot is for lease at $900 per month. Water is included.